Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. 5th chapter coordinate geometry exercise 5.5 6th sum. ABC is a triangle. So in the question it is given ABC is a triangle and the coordinate points are given. If G is the centroid, so G is the centroid and BDCG. So BDCG, so there is another point D. So if we join that BDCG is a parallelogram. B, D, C and G is a parallelogram. Then find the coordinates of the vertex D. So for this G, centroid formula is there, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. For that 3 points are given. So we can find the point G. Then we are asked to find the coordinates of vertex D. So that we can use using the parallelogram property that midpoint of BC is equal to midpoint of DG. So when we equate it, we will get the coordinates of vertex D. Okay. So G x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x1, x2, x3 is 3 minus 2 plus 5 by 3 comma y1 is 4 minus 1 plus 3 by 3. So this is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6 by 3, comma 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. This is also 6 by 3. So we'll get the centroid as, the coordinates of the centroid as 2, comma 2. Okay. So now we'll find the coordinates of vertex D. That is in parallelogram BDCG, midpoint of BC is equal to midpoint of GD. Okay. So midpoint of BC is, for B and C it is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So the same thing we'll be getting it for the other one also. So we'll do it directly. So x1 plus x2 is minus 2 plus 5 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So this is the midpoint of BC is equal to midpoint of GD. G is 2. The point that we are going to find, we'll keep it as x comma y. That is the coordinates of D, we'll keep it as x comma y. So G is 2 comma 2. So 2 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus y by 2. So now we'll equate the coordinates of x and y on both the sides. So here we'll get 3 by 2 is equal to 2 plus x by 2. Okay. Then minus 1 plus 3 is 2. That is 2 comma 2, that is 1. So 1 is equal to 2 plus y by 2. So when we simplify this, this 2 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 3 minus 2. So x value, x coordinate is 1. Same way here also. 2 plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus 2. We'll get the y coordinate as 0. So the coordinates of D are 1, comma 0. So this is the coordinates of D. Okay. So now 7th sum. If 3 by 2, comma 5, 7, comma minus 9 by 2, 13 by 2, comma minus 13 by 2 are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, then find the centroid of the triangle. So a condition is there, that is the centroid of a triangle obtained by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle is same as the centroid of the original triangle. Okay. So what is the centroid of the triangle? What is the formula we use? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So, we will substitute this 3 points in the same formula and find the centroid of this one. So, since both are same, we are going to use the same formula. Okay. So, gx comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So, both the centroids are same. When we join the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, that centroid, whatever centroid we are getting, that is equal to the centroid of the original triangle. Both the centroids are same only. So, we are using the same formula. So, 3 by 2 plus x1 is 3 by 2, x2 is 7, x3 is 13 by 2 divided by 3, comma y1 is 5, y2 is minus 9 by 2. So, minus 9 by 2, y3 is minus 13 by 2 divided by 3. So, when we simplify this, we will take LCM for the numerator. 2 is the LCM. So, 3 plus 7 2s are 14 plus 13. This is for the numerator divided by 3. Okay, comma, same way here also 2 we will take LCM. So, 10 minus 9 minus 13 divided by 3. So, this will be, so when we add all these things, 3 plus 13 is 16, 16 plus 14 is 30. 30 divided by 2 in the numerator by 3, comma, 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 minus 13 is minus 12 by 2 divided by 3. So, now 30 by 2 is 15, 15 by 3, comma, minus 12 by 2 is minus 6 by 3. So, when we simplify this, 15 by 3 is 5, minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. So, this is the centroid of the triangle. 5 comma minus 2 is the centroid of the triangle. So, with this exercise is over. Exercise 5.5 is over. This chapter itself over. Okay. So, from the next class onwards, I will be doing a new chapter. Okay. Thank you.